What does it mean to be trustworthy? Is it having the skill set and knowledge to accomplish something with precision and accuracy every time? Is it having pride in the things you're doing, even when no one else is in the room? Is it being a secure place when others are going through a difficult moment? Or a helping hand and a congratulatory smile when they make a big decision? Trustworthiness is built day by day, year by year. And for the past 50 years, Nikel has dedicated ourselves to it. We have offered precise and accurate service, taken endless pride in the work we do, worked hard to build a safe place for our customers, one where they can always expect a helping hand. For 50 years, Nikel has built trust to be an honest dealership. For you.